Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Houston demo. In this domain I have just installed the theme and the included plugins. The first step is to activate the theme. For that I will need to add here the license code from Theme Forest. After you added the license you need to click check license, and now my theme is active. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities. For the theme included icons to be imported along with the demo import, you will need to install the SVG support plugin. You will need to go to plugins. I have the plugin already installed. I will activate it and set it to apply only from admin. Once these settings are done, I can proceed with the demo import. I will go to VP Residence Options, Import Demo. I will look for the Houston demo. This is the one. I will click Import Demo, Continue and Import, and I will wait for the demo to be imported. The process might take a few minutes. The demo was successfully imported, and now I will show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. I will click Visit Site. For the home page layout to be complete, you will need to manually adjust this section. Here we use VP Residence Grids widget, and for the property categories to show an image, that image will need to be manually uploaded. I will go to Admin, Properties. Here you will find all property categories, type, city, neighborhood, county, state, features and amenities and property status. On home page, in the VP Residence Grids widget, we use neighborhoods, so this is the category that I will amend. Now I will add featured image for each category added for neighborhood. I will edit the category. I will press Upload Image button. I will select an image from my device. Press Insert into Post and update. I will do the same steps for the next category. I will press Upload Image, select an image from my device, insert into Post, and update. Since the steps are the same for all categories, I will add the rest of the images of the record. I added all images, now the section shows correctly. The next step is to go to Theme Options. Here you will be able to replace the demo settings with your own. You will be able to change the logo. You will be able to decide on the map system that you want to use. You can keep OpenStreet or select Google Maps. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the site. Also, in search section, you will be able to set the theme advanced search form. Next, I will set permalinks correctly. I will go to Settings, Permalinks. I will set permalinks to post name and save the change. And now the demo is complete. I will go back to homepage and I will give some quick guidelines on how to edit the homepage content. Since the page was created with Elementor, I will click Edit with Elementor. I have enabled the navigator so I can access easier each section of the page. The first section is the page header. We have added this image as the section background, and here you will be able to change the image and add your own. Also, by editing the heading widgets, you will be able to change the text on the image. Going to the next section, here you will be able to change the text. And for the image, you will need to go to the second column, and in style you will be able to replace the demo image with your own. The same will apply for the second section as well. In the next section we use the VP Residence items list that will display your latest listings depending on the settings that you add here. On the next section we have these boxes with SVG icons and text. You will be able to change the heading the SVG icons and the text. Next, we have the VP Residence Grids widget. Here you can change the category that will be displayed. Here we have a search form created with the search form builder widget. You will be able to change the fields and make other settings. The next section is for agents. We use the VP Residence List Agent widget. Here you can change client testimonials and add your own details. And for the last section, we use the VP Residence map and we set it to display the contact details. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.